Good morning. In the last lecture, we arrived at equation 18. You may have one question in your mind. I have done half of this gy d2 psi by dy square is equal to, keep this constant, difference at second one, minus y square by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into 2y plus, keep this constant, e to the power minus y square divided by 2 into differentiation of minus y is minus 1. This is 2 get cancel, minus y square e to the power minus y square by 2 minus e to the power minus y square by 2. Take this and this common. What left is d2 psi by dy square is equal to e to the power minus y square divided by 2 into what left here, y square, what left here, minus 1. d2 psi infinity divided by dy square limit y tends to infinity d2 psi by dy square is equal to y square minus 1 e to the power minus y square divided by 2 is equal to y square e to the power minus y square divided by 2. Equation number 19. This is the reason why I have solved this part this way and taken y square psi. E to the power minus y square by 2 is nothing but psi, this psi. Limit y tends to infinity, this term y square minus 1 reduces to y square, and we will come back to equation 18. Okay, so because of this reason I have taken this here. If you want, after this you may continue with this, after that you may come back to this equation as you wish. Okay, then, and therefore the wave function psi infinity is simply written as f of y into e to the power minus y square divided by 2, equation 20, as the asymptotic form of the equation. Y square is coming here. Okay, so what we shall write? Psi infinity is equal to f of y e to the power minus y square divided by 2, equation 20, asymptotic form of the wave function psi needed to solve equation 13. Let us see what will happen if we take such a type of asymptotic form of wave function psi. If we take this form of asymptotic wave function psi, equation 13 may get further be modified. Let us see how equation 13 may further get modified. Let me consider equation 20 and differentiate this with respect to y. Get 20 and differentiate with respect to y to get d psi by dy is equal to f of y is f. You can simply consider f of y as f. Okay, f is function of y, this is also function of y. So keep f constant, differentiate this e to the power minus y square divided by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into 2y plus Keep this constant e to the power minus y square divided by 2, differentiate f, that will be df by dy, and so d psi by dy will be equal to this 2 get cancel minus f into y into e to the power minus y square divided by 2 plus e to the power minus y square divided by 2 df by dy, equation number 21. Okay, then let us further differentiate equation 21. d2 psi by dy square. One, two, three. There are three terms in this part. This is function of y, function of y, function of y. Let us keep these two constant, differentiate this. Minus fy held constant, third one differentiated, then this minus, this is held constant, fy, hold f constant, differentiate y, then hold y constant, differentiate f. So f hold constant, differentiation of y is dy by dy, y is held constant, differentiation of f is df by dy. Second term plus, first one is held constant, second one differentiated, d2f by dy square plus df by dy held constant, this is differentiated, e to the power minus y square divided by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into 2y. This is equal to two get cancel, minus minus plus f y into y square, f y square e to the power minus y square divided by 2. Come to the second one, minus is here, so first one become minus, minus f dy by dy, it is 1 e to the power minus y square divided by 2, again minus y df by dy e to the power minus y square divided by 2 plus e to the power minus y square divided by 2 d2f by dy square, 2 get cancel, minus y df by dy e to the power minus y square divided by 2, equation number 22. Now let us substitute equation 22 d2 psi by dy square in equation 13. What is equation 13? I think equation 13 is this, d2 psi by dy square plus alpha minus y square psi is equal to 0. What should we put for this psi? Alpha d2 psi by dy square plus alpha minus y square into f e to the power minus y square divided by 2 is equal to 0. Let me call this as equation 23. After putting psi is equal to f e to the power minus y square divided by 2 in equation 13, 13 has become this. Now, in equation 13, let us substitute 22. For this d2 psi by dy square, let us put equation 22. So, this value is to be written for d2 psi by dy square. So, let me write it here. Or let me consider this is the same equation here. d2 psi by dy square is this plus alpha f e to the power minus y square divided by 2 minus f y square e to the power minus y square divided by 2 is equal to 0. Substituting 22 in 23, we got this thing. Substituting 22 in 23, we get this equation. Now observe the terms here. Fy square e to the power minus y square by 2 minus fy square e to the power minus y square by 2. So this term identically cancels with this term. Let us consider this term first. Or do one thing, take this common from all terms. In every term, e to the power minus y square by 2, it is there. In every term, e to the power minus y square by 2 is there. Take e to the power minus y square by 2 common from all the terms and send to the other side is 0, it will remain 0 only. What left is this one, d2f by dy square, first term is taken. Then let us go to the other one, y minus y df by dy. So it is minus 2 times y df by dy. This is taken, this is taken, this is taken. Now what left? This is left, this is left. What we can do? Let us have ff common from this. If ff is taken common, what left is alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. Or you can write this as alpha minus 1 into f is equal to 0. All terms are taken into consideration. Only these two, f is here, take f common, what left here plus alpha, what left here minus 1, because this all exponential terms sent to the other side. and this is equation number 24. So for the asymptotic wave function psi, after using the required asymptotic wave function psi, the Schrodinger equation, steady state form of Schrodinger equation, equation 13 takes new form, and this form is d2f by dy square minus 2y df by dy plus alpha minus 1 into f is equal to 0, equation number 24. It is second order differential equation for the harmonic motion of the harmonic oscillator. Solution of this equation may be found by expressing this equation in terms of power series. Solution of this equation may be found by expressing this equation in terms of power series. Let us see how to express this in terms of power series. F, or you may write f of y, is equal to a0 y0 a1 y to the power 1 a2 y square a3 y cube continued, and this is for the summation of n is equal to 0 to infinity a n y to the power n. This is what? F of y. Equation number 25. Differentiate this equation further to get df by dy. Now you do one thing, write this equation as 25, this as 26, differentiate 25 further to get, differentiate equation 25 further to get df by dy. Okay, so this is just one, a0 is constant, y to the power 0 is 1, a0 into 1 is a0 is constant, differentiation of a0 with respect to y is 0, this one a1 plus 2 a2y plus 3 a3 y square plus 4 a4 y cube plus and so on. And this is nothing but summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity n a n y to the power n minus 1. Equation number, let this as 27, this is 28. Multiply equation 28 by y on both sides. Multiply equation 28 by y to get y df by dy is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to infinity n a n plus 1 y to the power n. Let me put here equation number 29. Differentiate equation 27 further. Differentiate equation 27 further to get Tn is equal to 0 Okay, differentiate equation 27 further to get d2f by dy square is equal to 0 plus 1 into 2 into a2 plus 2 into 3 into a3 y plus 3 into 4 into a4 y square plus dash dash, and this is summation of n is equal to 2 to infinity n into n minus 1 a n y to the power n minus 2 this will be simply a n, because we have multiplied this only by y, so there is no change here. 29 a n. This is summation of n is equal to 0 to infinity n plus 1 into n plus 2 into a n plus 2 into y to the power n, equation number 30. And then let us substitute equations 26, 29 and equation 30 back into equation 24. d2f by dy square minus 2y df by dy into alpha minus 1 into f is equal to 0. What is our equation? This one. d2f by dy square minus 2y df by dy plus alpha minus 1 into f is equal to 0. In this equation, let us substitute equations 26, 29 and 30. For 30, I have to put this thing. Summation of n is equal to 0 to infinity common for all, n plus 1, n plus 2, a n plus 2 y to the power n minus 2 y, this one n a n y to the power n plus alpha minus 1 into a n y to the power n is equal to 0. Y to the power n from all the terms can be taken common. yn can be sent to other side to make it 0. So this equation is true if the whole bracket is equal to 0, and we will have this further as n plus 1 into n plus 2 into an plus 2 minus 2n an plus alpha an minus an is equal to 0, n plus 1 into n plus 2 into an plus 2. An can be taken common from all these. If an is taken common, what left here? Alpha. What left here? Minus 2n minus 1 is equal to 0, or n plus 1 into n plus 2, an plus 2 is equal to, transfer this to other side, so sign of this will change, that will become 2n plus 1 minus alpha into an, and further we will have an plus 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 minus alpha divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2 an, equation number 32. Equation 32 is the recurrence relation for the solution. This recurrence relation can be solved to get values of a1, a0, a1, a2, a3. Actually, equation 32 can be further solved to get values of a2, a3, a4, a5 and so on. If 32 is solved, it is solved either for a0 or a1. Equation 32 is always solved to get the value of a0 or a1. If equation 32 gives value of a0, this can be further used to get the values of the parameters a2, a4, a6, a8 and so on. If this equation is solved to get value of a0, this a0 can further be used, this a0 and this equation can further be used to get the values of a0 plus 2, a2. Okay, then a2, a4, a6 and so on. All the even parameters a2, a4, a6, a8, a10 etc. can be found if it is solved for a0. If this recursion relation is solved for a1, then this equation can be used to get the values of the parameters, odd parameters a3, a5, a7, a9, a11, a13 and so on. This way we can have here the solution of the steady state Schrodinger equation we constructed for the harmonic oscillator in the form of recursion relation 32. And to get this recursion relation 32, we have used many equations, many concepts. We manipulated and solved many equations, and after doing all this step by step, we arrived at this recursive solution an plus 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 minus alpha divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2 into an, equation 32. This can be further used to get the values of a0 or a1, and depending on if it is solved to get value of a0, all the even parameters a2, a4, a6, a8, a10 can be found using equation 32, and if it is used to get the value of a1, then the odd parameters a3, a5, a7, a9, a11 etc. can be found using equation 32. So, this is about the harmonic oscillator. Hope you got it. Thank you.